In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Microsoft Authenticator app without old phone. If you've switched phones or lost your old one, don't worry. If you previously turned on cloud backup in Microsoft Authenticator, you can bring your sign-in codes back quickly and securely. Cloud backup ties your Authenticator data to your personal Microsoft account. So the key to success is signing in on the new phone with the same personal account you used when you enabled the backup. Start by installing the Microsoft Authenticator app on your new phone from your App Store. A strong internet connection helps the restore run smoothly. When prompted, allow the app to send notifications. Those are important for approving sign-ins later. Open Microsoft Authenticator and on the home screen choose Begin Recovery or Restore from Backup. This tells the app you want to pull in the saved credentials from the cloud rather than starting from scratch. If you don't see the Restore option, make sure the app is fully updated and that you're on the main account screen. Next, sign in with the same personal Microsoft account you used for the original backup. This is typically the email you use for services like Outlook or Xbox, not your work or school account. After you sign in, the app will locate your backup and begin restoring your accounts to the new device. Give it a moment to sync. You should soon see your accounts listed. After the restore completes, many accounts will immediately be usable, but you may notice some entries labeled action required. That's normal and it's by design. For security, certain accounts, especially work or school accounts and some third-party services, need to be re-verified on the new phone before they'll generate valid codes. To finish up, open each account that shows action required and follow the on-screen prompts. In many cases, you'll be asked to sign in again or to scan a fresh QR code from that service's security settings. You can find those QR codes in each service's two-step verification or security page. For work or school accounts, your organization may require an additional approval step. If something doesn't appear, check your company's guidance or contact your administrator. A few quick tips as you wrap up: make sure your phone's time and date are set automatically, since accurate time is essential for one-time codes, and keep notifications enabled so you don't miss approval prompts. Once everything is working on the new phone, you're all set and can continue signing in securely.